Yeah, there it goes.
You on?
Yeah.
Alright, well this is a long awaited update. I haven't, been on this thing for a while, and obviously we're not in the same garage anymore. But we're about to fire up the engine. I've ran it a few times before, and it's pretty darn cold out here and nasty, so it's been snowing earlier. Every time I have a weekend it rains, go figure. But the whole thing's been stripped on, except for a little bit. And the engine's completely ready to go, except one of the carburetors is acting funny and it won't rev. But it'll start and run and idle perfectly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook it up and turn it over. Hopefully my battery's still charged. That'll be embarrassing. It's cold. It's pretty darn cold out here too. About 30 something. Hook up the coil there. Good. Alright, still got some juice. Right. I'm going to push this down a few times and put down enough fuel in there. And flip, turn it over. It's been a while since we ran. Push the throttle down there. Push the lever down a couple times. Alright, that's good. Really, really cold out here, so.
That's an understatement.
And it's a little bit hesitant to even start because I hadn't ran it about a month,
Shit.
but it's really damn cold out here, so it had some issues starting, but on a normal day it takes about 2 spins and it catches. But one of the carburetors has got something wrong with the accelerator pump, and so that's why whenever you pushed it down it would stall first before catching. And it's been kind of a pain to figure out what's going on with it. I'll probably have to take it apart one day and bring all the gas out. Lots of fun, and nothing more fun than taking apart something you already put back together twice. But these are Italian Weber 34 carbs. They were on the shelf for God knows how long, so that's probably why they're acting funny. It took a lot to get them adjusted. Dad and I sat and balanced them for one whole night. I had to make a new screw for the idle. It's not even original. Turns out they don't make them anymore. The rebuild kits have the wrong screw, and they don't even fit. So it's like, what do you do? Well, you go to the machine shop and make one. The header is an older style header with a big flange on it, and I just welded a little tip. And as a side effect, it kind of sounds like a motorcycle. Hopefully next time we'll see something different. The whole setback of moving into a new place, I was going to get it painted soon, but I had to move and sell a lot of things, and of course I have almost no space compared to what I used to have. And the fact that I'm stripping all the paint off because I've seen how well paint sticks to paint. You might watch this. This is a paint chip, if you want to call it a chip. But that is how well paint sticks to paint. This was in the wheel well that we had painted black paint in the wheel wells, and it turns out it was a waste of time because I didn't take any effort to strip that off. It just kind of went like saran wrap. But this is why it's bare metal now, because I am not going to spend a couple grand to get something painted and it'll fall off 2 years later. I most likely will take it to the transporter works over in West Street. This is in Raleigh. They know exactly what to do as far as restoring Beetles, and I don't want to paint cars. I don't want to upholster cars. I want to drive this thing in the next year or two. And I have a little bit better employment now, so I can see that happening. So until next time, hopefully I'm going to do this again because this thing usually starts up quickly. It was so cold out here, and on a normal summer day, this is how it should start in less than 2 revolutions. As you can see, that hesitation is caused by the carburetor. One of the carburetors is not working like it should. And so one of them leans out and backfires up to the top. So it's kind of nasty, very unsmooth. As you can see, the car is just doing this. But that's it.